Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing some fun developmentally appropriate activities that you can do with your toddler. And my daughter Melina is 14 months old, so I'll be sharing some fun activities that we do together. Take the clamp off. You can do it.
This first activity is to remove the clothing pins. You're going to clip clothing pins to the side of a bowl or a container and then model how to use your hands to squeeze the clothing pins to take them off.
You can do it.
No.
Yay, good job.
This next activity is called Pluck the Feathers. You'll need a colander, which is a bowl strainer, and feathers. Simply stick feathers through the little holes, not all the way through, but about halfway or just enough so that your child can pull the rest of the feather out. This is a great way to work on language development.
Pull, 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 pull. Can you pull? Good, pull. Pull, pull, good.
For feather art, you're going to allow your child to explore the feather, and this is a great way to develop their sensory awareness. And then attach double-sided tape to cardstock, or if you don't have cardstock, you can use regular paper. And this is also a great way to support language development.
Look, purple. Good, you said purple?
Wow.
It's beautiful. Melina, look, the eggs.
This next activity is done with plastic eggs. You're going to use masking tape or painter's tape and tape the eggs to the wall and encourage your child to take them off. Having your child open the plastic eggs is a great way for them to strengthen their little fingers, and if you have surprises in there, make sure you're watching them so they don't choke on any of them.
Grab that one. Good job. Whoa! Yay! Wow!
Water play has always been one of my daughter's favorite activities, and this time I'm incorporating sponges and squeeze bottles so that she can practice using her hands. Now I just let her explore a little bit and I showed her how to use the squeeze bottle, but she is a little bit young and doesn't quite understand how to squeeze it, but she did have fun just playing with the sponges in the water.
Whoa, splash. Squeeze. Can you say squeeze? Squeeze. Squeeze.
Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment and let me know if any of the activities are of interest to you and if you will be trying them with your toddler. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll catch you in the next video.